You wake up, ready to conquer the crypto world, only to find you can't log into your Gemini account. Panic sets in. Your heart pounds. Visions of lost funds dance before your eyes. Sound familiar? If you've ever been locked out of your Gemini account, or if you're just being proactive and want to know what to do before it happens, then this video is for you. We're diving deep into the sometimes stressful, but ultimately navigable, world of Gemini account recovery. We'll break down the common reasons for needing recovery, walk you through the precise steps for different scenarios, and arm you with the knowledge to get back into your account and back to managing your digital assets, quickly and securely. This isn't just about clicking a forgot password link, this is a comprehensive guide to safeguarding your crypto future. So, grab a notepad, settle in, and let's demystify Gemini account recovery. First things first, let's understand why you might need to recover your Gemini account. It's usually one of a few common culprits. The most frequent, of course, is a forgotten password. We all have so many passwords these days, it's easy to mix them up or simply forget. Another common scenario is losing access to your two-factor authentication, or 2FA, device. Maybe your phone broke, you upgraded, or you simply deleted the authenticator app by accident. This is a big one, as 2FA is a critical security layer. Less common, but still possible, are issues like a compromised email account associated with your Gemini login, or even a locked account due to suspicious activity detected by Gemini's security systems. Understanding the root cause is the first step to a successful recovery. Now, let's get into the meat of it, the actual recovery process. We'll start with the most common scenario, forgotten password. If you've forgotten your Gemini password, the good news is that this is usually the simplest recovery process. Head over to the Gemini login page. Below the password field, you'll see a Forgot Password link. Click on it. Gemini will then ask you to enter the email address associated with your account. Make sure you use the correct email. After submitting your email, you'll receive a password reset link in your inbox. This link is time-sensitive, so don't delay. Click the link, and you'll be directed to a page where you can create a new, strong password. Remember to use a unique password, ideally one you haven't used for any other online service. Once you've set your new password, you should be able to log in. Easy, right? Well, that's assuming your 2FA is still intact. What if you've lost access to your 2FA device? This is where things can get a bit more involved, but still entirely manageable. Gemini takes 2FA very seriously, as it's a crucial layer of security against unauthorized access. If you've lost your phone, or if your authenticator app is gone, you'll need to go through a 2FA reset process. On the login page, after entering your email and password, when prompted for your 2FA code, you'll likely see an option like having trouble with your 2FA or have lost 2FA device. Click on that. Gemini will then initiate a security protocol to verify your identity. This is paramount to ensure that only you can regain access to your account. The exact steps might vary slightly, but generally, you'll be asked to confirm your identity through a series of questions. These questions might include personal information you provided during account creation, such as your date of birth, address, or even details about recent transactions. Be prepared to answer these accurately. Gemini might also require you to submit a photo of your government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, alongside a selfie holding your ID. This is a common and effective way to verify your identity and prevent fraudulent access. Ensure the photos are clear, well-lit, and that all information on your ID is legible. Once you've submitted the requested information, Gemini's security team will review your submission. This review process can take some time, typically a few business days, as they need to carefully verify your identity. During this period, patience is key. Avoid submitting multiple requests, as this can sometimes slow down the process. Once your identity is successfully verified, Gemini will usually disable your old 2FA and allow you to set up a new one. At this point, it's crucial to immediately set up a new 2FA using a reliable authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Consider backing up your 2FA keys if your Authenticator app offers that functionality, or at the very least, storing your recovery codes in a secure, offline location. This can save you a lot of headache in the future. Now, let's consider a more serious scenario, a compromised email account. If the email address associated with your Gemini account has been compromised, meaning someone else has access to it, this poses a significant security risk. In this case, you cannot rely on the standard forgot password or 2FA reset processes, as the attacker might intercept the recovery emails. Your immediate action should be to secure your email account. Change the password to your email, enable 2FA on your email if you haven't already, and check for any suspicious forwarding rules or unauthorized access. Once your email account is secure, you'll need to contact Gemini support directly. Explain the situation clearly, that your email account was compromised and therefore your Gemini account is at risk. Gemini's support team will guide you through a specialized recovery process. This will likely involve a more rigorous identity verification, similar to the 2FA reset process, but potentially even more stringent. They might ask for additional proofs of ownership, such as bank statements linked to your Gemini account or details of specific transactions. Be cooperative and provide all requested information promptly and accurately. Gemini's priority is the security of your funds, so they will take all necessary precautions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.